Hi, Blankly community. When building an algorithmic model, developers generally want to maximize their returns. But investors must understand the cost of their returns. If an investment or portfolio is extremely risky, investors may not be adequately compensated for taking on that risk. Risk-adjusted return allows us to assess whether or not this is the case by measuring the excess return of an investment or portfolio per unit of risk over a given time period. Let's take a look at 3 ways to measure risk-adjusted return. The first, and by far the most popular, is called the Sharpe Ratio, developed by American economist and Nobel laureate William F. Sharpe. The Sharpe Ratio is the ratio of excess return of investment to its volatility, a very straightforward way of measuring risk to reward. Another commonly used metric is the sortino ratio. The sortino ratio, named after Frank A. Sortino, is a variation of the Sharpe ratio that only considers downside volatility. Basically, it only factors in the risk of losing money. Finally, the calmar ratio. The calmar ratio is simply the ratio of the investment's average compounded annual return to its maximum drawdown over a given period. As such, it's also referred to as the drawdown ratio. There you have it. Hopefully, by learning more about risk-adjusted return metrics, you have a better understanding of how to compare returns. Happy investing, Blankly community.